It's 2019, first day of the year. I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket. On my way to Coney Island. I'm a little bit late. There's not too much traffic going down there, but I'm trying to go down there, meet up with John. Weather's looking nice. Let's see all the madness. Let's see the Polar Bear Club do their thing. I've been filming the Polar Bear Club for a while now. I've been doing it since the Phantom 2 and Phantom 3, Phantom 4, Mavic, and now the Mavic 2. So let's head down there and see what we can get. Alright, so right now, waiting for my guy, John, 5 Borough. We're gonna go out there and do what we gotta do. Alright, over here, John.
Going to Coney Island, guys. We're gonna go see the polar bears.
Yo, Polar Bear Club. So let's see how this is gonna be. Trini. We out here on the beach. This shit is lit, man. This shit is live. Man, listen. I'm about to get ready to go take off and see what's going on up there. A lot of people out here compared to last year. This is the most I've seen in like the last 3 years.
Did it? How was it? Was it? Oh man, shit.
You're used to that.
Warm? Was the water warm? Holy
Nice
shit.
and cold.
Ladies, you did it, ladies. How was it?
Yeah.